Hello everyone, today I'll show you what all you need to check before buying or purchasing and back cover for your smartphone. So here you can see this is the Lenovo A6000 Plus mobile phone which I have, and a back cover which I have purchased from local market. As per the shopkeeper, this is the original Lenovo back cover. Yes, it is original, but it is in seconds. It has been rejected by the company. I'll show you the defect, what defect it has. Actually, it doesn't come into our notice very easily. So I'll show you the defect, what it has at the end of the video. Keep watching our video, and if you have not yet subscribed to our channel, kindly subscribe to our channel. Okay, now let's see. While you are buying a back cover for your smartphone, few things which we need to see is that all the holes, that is the camera, flash and the noise cancellation mic hole, charging adapter, 3.5 mm socket, the speaker grills and the main mic hole, these all should be visible. That is, they should be see-through. Here you can see from here, if you pass light from the bottom, you should be able to see the light. And same thing with the speaker grills. See that none of the grills are blocked, or the plastic mold which is been made with this is not blocking the grills. And see that there are no burrs on the panel holes, that is camera hole, etc. And one more thing I would like to say is, do not buy a panel which has a glass on the camera, that is panel which has extra glass casing. Don't think that it is going to protect your camera, but it is going to reduce the clarity of your camera. So see that you will not buy a cover with a glass. Then with the socket, and after inserting it panel, check that the charging pin is fitting it properly, and along with that 3.5 mm jack, which is your headphone jack, is getting inserted properly. So now we'll just see how to fix this on the Lenovo. Here in your phone, in this Lenovo phone, the back panel removal notch is given at the bottom here. Here you can see this is the notch. So in other phones, some phones it will be at the bottom, some phones it will be at the top, others on the side. So please check where the exact notch is given. Just insert your nail in here, pull it up, go on loosening it, go on unlocking it from the side. Okay, this way. Now this is your old panel, keep it aside. This is the new one. So for inserting the new one, check with the mic hole which matches the same old one. Here you can see it should be at the same place. If it is not at the same place, then the person on the other side will not be able to hear your voice. All the holes are intact, same. So now insert it back in this way from top and this side volume rocker as well as power button switch first, then go on pressing it. As you can see, this panel is original one and pearl white, but this one I got it only for very less compared to the original price. Original price is too high. The price I got, which was divided by 10, you can say. So now what I would like to say is that how I say that this is a seconds or company rejected one is, here you can see there is a minute bend in the panel. Here itself. I'll zoom a bit. Hope now it is visible. Here near the volume rocker, plus and minus, here there is a little bit bend in the panel, due to which the company might have rejected it and it came to seconds market. So while buying a panel, keep in mind that you are not buying a seconds one, and if you are buying a seconds one, see that you will give the price which suits the seconds. I would like to say that if you really want a original 100% original one, and exactly as you had purchased the phone, as you removed the phone from your box when you purchased it, then better you buy any spares, that is accessories or spares, from the company outlet itself. Don't buy anywhere outside. Hope this video was informative, quite informative for you. If it was informative, kindly hit the like icon, share the video and subscribe to our channel if you are not yet subscribed. Thank you for watching everyone. Have a good time.